Alright guys, welcome back. So on today's video, we're going to be tackling this. So this truck has needed a bed cover for the longest time, and I finally ordered one. So this is just a cheap one. It's a vinyl roll-up cover that I got off of Amazon. So we're going to go ahead and get that installed today. So let me go ahead and get set up, and I'll pick you guys back up here in just a minute. All right, so let's go ahead and go ahead and open this up and see what we're working with here. Like I said, this is just a cheap bed cover I got off of Amazon. I think I caught it on sale for like 180 bucks. Looks like it's packaged pretty well. Okay. So it looks like this foam strip goes across the back, so I'm going to need to move my boots. I got the two rails that go along the side, and then I've got the cover itself. Let's see. So I guess that's where we'll start. Is we'll go ahead and get this weatherproofing installed across the back of the truck, and then we'll go on from there. I really need to grab a broom and sweep this thing out. Alright. So I'm just gonna measure this and cut it with my knife. There we go. Probably gonna be fun peeling this off of here. Okay. Terrific. All right. Now, I don't know how well this is going to stick to the spray-on bed liner, but we'll find out. It'll either stick pretty good with all the extra texture, or it won't. And then I'll just cut the excess off. So we're going to go through, push this down, make sure this is stuck pretty good. And then I also got a little bit left if I need it. All right. All right. Now that's done. All right. We're just gonna leave all this in here for now, and then I'll clean up at the end. Honestly, shout out to General Motors for putting a step in the bumper. Honestly, that's one of the best things they ever did with their trucks. All right, so now that we got the foam put down, now let's go ahead, let's pull these rails out, go ahead and start working on getting them installed. Cool thing is this came with a little light. Don't know how well that's going to hold up, but I thought that's pretty cool. You don't see too many tonneau covers coming with lights, so you can light up the inside of the bed. Ooh, I think it's about time I sharpen my knife. Okay. That was a little better. Got some more foam strips. Okay, so I slid this up more of where it's supposed to be. So let's go ahead and hop down. Let's unroll this thing and see what it looks like. Not having my, I mean, I still got a little bit of a handle, but all right. Alright. Yeah, there you have it, guys. Looks pretty good. Okay, let me see why this one's not wanting to let go. Okay, I got it to let go. It was just super stiff. You know, brand new parts and all. So there's that one. There's that one. And at that point, you just roll it on up and then clip it down. So there you have it, guys. One bed cover installed. Like I said, this is something I've been meaning to do since I bought the truck almost 5 years ago. You know, taking trips in it. We we ran into the same issue multiple times where we'd have folks in the back seat and we'd run into rain and have to throw all the luggage in the cab with whoever was in the back seat. So this has been on my list for a while for this truck, and I finally just made it happen. So as usual, guys, don't be afraid to tackle something like this. I mean, for the most part, I just kind of glanced at the instructions, but I didn't even really use them. I mean, as you can see. But we got it on, we got it installed. Looks pretty good. Hopefully it functions equally as well. And till next time.